government's sorting out Ukraine for the rest of its fucking days with 300 million a year or something like that. But they can't fix the fucking roads in Scotland, or anywhere to be fair. They're a fucking bunch of hypocritical cunts. Fuck the government. Fucking money swindling cunts. You only need to look at what happened in America over the last fucking 4 years and tarnishing fucking Trump. Because guess what? Trump's actually for the fucking people. He's a man of money. He's got money. He doesn't need to go after the fucking money. Unlike these politician wankers that we're going around. Bunch of shite. Oh fuck you and your fucking low fuel, you fucking prick. Try to make a fucking YouTube video, and they fucking petrol. As usual, the government's fucking got my money. Waiting it, because the fuel will be there now. There we go. There we go. Oh, there's... I love my BMW Tourer. It's fucking awesome. It's a scabby old horse, but it looks can be decent.